Good evening, everyone. Hope you're doing well today. And let's get started with this demo webinar about our Forex platform. I'm happy to see you here. Thank you very much for attending. And this will be a very informative tour, or how do you say that? More like a tutorial, something like that. I have to switch to some things. Let me see here. All right. So I had to reboot my computer a while ago because I had some problems with the software. All right. Let's get rid of this one. So let's wait for 1 minute more and we can get more people here on the live stream. I hope you can hear me well. I had to reboot my computer, so let's see if I have any sound here. Let's go here to the sound. Yeah, I have a microphone. Cool. All right. So welcome to this demo webinar of our automated Forex execution platform. We worked hard to get something really cool for you, as you guys know, we are the expert of trade automation, algorithmic trading. And if you are here with trading ranges for a long time, you know also that we are creating Pine script strategies for TradingView. And that's also one of our specialties where you can also automate our strategies, for example, with Traders Post when you want to automate it, for example, with Tradeovate, your broker. We switched also to Forex, and today we are going to talk about our new Forex platform, because we already are, I think operation started 1 year ago with futures, with future trading. So we started, I think, in the 1st of January, something like that. We started with the future trading automation, and we now developed something really cool for you guys. It's a Forex automation platform, and today I'm going to show you how it looks like. So let me first arrange some stuff in here that is important for the image. Here, yeah, I see it here. All right, some colors in here. Cool. Again, I had to reboot my computer because I had some problems with my software. All right, let's do this. I can't see any questions, so I have to open YouTube as well. If you want to ask any questions, you're welcome, and also we could do that after this presentation. So let me open YouTube here. Let me go to my live stream. All right, here we are. And we are live. Cool, here we are. So now I can see your questions. Any questions, you can put them here in the YouTube channel, right? Okay, I think now we are ready to go. Yeah, everything is okay. Okay, so let's get started. So welcome, let me know where you're from here on the right side in the chat. This will be recorded too for the people which can't attend this training, or it's actually not a training, it's a demo. And as you guys know, we have a community now at this moment in school, and this community will be active till end of this month. And I'm going to show you also, because we are gonna change to a new community on our own platform. So we create a platform, everything inside, like community training and everything which you need to automate your Forex automation. And this community is integrated in our platform, so that's the best also for us also to get hands-on for people which have questions, or also when we have a live stream, it will also be held in our community itself. Okay, so let me share my screen first, and then I go to the demo. Here we are. Okay. Let me increase this one here. So, Okay guys, here you see our new platform, and it took a while till we had it launched because we started, I think, last year in November we started to create this platform, and it's a state-of-the-art platform which is developed by our team. So it's not a platform which we purchase from somewhere. It's pure from the ground up bound. It's built from the ground up, and it has really cool features inside. And if you want to get started with automated Forex execution, yeah, this is the place to be, because you're able to set up your trading bot within, I think, 5 minutes once you know the procedure. And I'm going to show you today also the procedure, how easy it is. But first of all, so let me give you a tour in this platform. What you see now is the admin platform. So what you see here on the right side, these are the buttons you don't see, because this is the buttons for the admins, which we are able to, for example, access, support, moderation, messages, and a lot of other things. So when you are going to tradechanges.com, you see only these buttons here on top. And so let's go through it. All right, this is the home page. Go check it out, because it's really cool what we built. Everything is inside. So if you go through the pages, then you will discover what this platform is and what you can do with it. This platform is 100% safe, and we explain it also in here, because we don't manage your funds. You are able to connect your own broker through MT5. You are able to control your own risk parameters. So this is also very important, because we want to have you full control of this Forex bot. So it's not a black box. You are able to control everything yourself, all right? And the execution happens automatically, so it's automated. You don't have to sit the whole day behind your screen. You are in charge. All right, so why manual trading fails professionals? Because you don't have to sit all day behind your desk. Manual trading creates inconsistency. You have a lot of emotions involved, and yeah, you miss also prime sessions, because, yeah, for example, if you have a day job, you only are able to trade in the evening, and then you miss also the volatility, for example, during the market open. So yeah, this is really an advantage if you automate your trades. So it's an automated execution. You have full control. It's prop firm friendly, and you get also a real-time dashboard when you are able to manage everything, but also see what's happening. Okay, so again, it's not a black box. You keep 100% control. So it's actually a 3-step setup. Connect your MT5, set your risk, and then automated execution will happen. We are not a single group. We are not a black box robot, and you don't have to worry about Telegram trade calls. It's all automated, and yeah, you don't have a broker lock-in, because you are able to connect your own broker without any problems, and you can, when, for example, you decide to leave us, then no problem, because yeah, there is no broker locked in our platform. Okay, so when you go to the next page, to the Forex execution, what is the automated Forex trading? Now here you can find everything about our products also, but I'm going to show you in a while how it looks like. So go take a look around on our new platform, tradechanges.com. Okay, so let's get started how it works. So we have everything inside, as you see. We have a community here inside, and in this community, we when I refresh this page, let me see if, yeah, when I refresh this page, then it has to load, but we have also the live, how it works, sessions in here. So in the future, once you are able to create an account here for free, then you are able also to join our community for free. But for the next time, once we have, for example, like now, a webinar or a presentation or a training, it will all be held in here. You're able to chat in here. Everything is inside. We have general discussion, trading strategies, platform support, market analysis, and share your wins. So you are welcome to join. But it's really cool because everything is on our platform, so you don't have to go to YouTube or other place once you want to join our live stream. So we are at this moment in progress to create some trainings about algorithmic trading. So what we are doing also, we want to get some training for you ready, for example, about risk management and that kind of stuff. And also how to manage your bot, because it's automatic, it's full automatic, but you need to know some basic stuff before you get started. So we are recording some videos now, and I think within 2 weeks everything will be inside in here too. So this is the Trading Academy. We have a live signals page. It's just public, so you don't have to log in. It's a public page where you can see which signals are live and also which are won or lost. So today we had a lot of winning trades of gold, as you see. So here you are able to monitor also all the signals, but also inside your dashboard. But for the people which are not the client yet, they are able to see what's happening on our platform here too. So it's full transparent. We have 2 strategies available, Euro USD, but also gold. We have a track record that is connected to our trading bot. So this is real data, and it's also not influenced by us. This is real data connected to our bot and in real time. So when you go here, since January or since February, we had 153 trades. The win rate is 66.7%. Total ROI you see here, and the profit factor is here, all right? So here you see actually the January stats and the February. So January we only had 20 trades. That's what's a start. We had some loss in the beginning, and now in February we are on the winning streak. Okay. So when you use these tabs like Advanced Metrics, you are able to see it here too. And the win rate, trade history. So here you see the trade history in here of winning and losing trades, and also the percentage of wins or profits in here. It's all in here, and here you can find out how it works. Okay, so if you want to read the stats, what is the profit factor, what does it mean, the win rate, total ROI, equity curve, you have to understand the chart, etc., etc. All right. Once you are a client, then you are able to access your dashboard. Here you can see your subscriptions, transactions too. So this is the admin panel, but normally if you buy something, you see your transactions here. Here you can see the payments, and if you want, for example, to download your invoices, or you want to cancel your subscription, or you want to upgrade your subscription, you can do it from here through your dashboard. When you go here to your profile, here in your profile you are able to see your subscriptions, also your alert rules and alerts. So you're able to create your public profile. Here you see your subscriptions also and the payments, and here you're able to create alerts. So here you're able, for example, to add alerts to your email, or here in the app. Okay, so you can choose long or short only, or all types. You want to receive an email once there is a trade happening, or in your app, add rule. And now you receive from USD, you will receive all the signals also through email. So this is really cool because it's really advanced. It's very transparent, so you see everything what's happening. So when we go, for example, to the auto trading, so once you get started, you want to start to connect your MT5 accounts. When I go back to the camera, we go back here. Here we are. So I'm in trading now for 3 years, and I also did some Forex trading in the past, and I used also some bots, and those were EAs as they call them. They were black boxes. You were not able to control everything. So in my experience, you had to go to your MT5, and you had to download a lot of files from those guys to get it work. So you have to download EA files, and you have to configure your whole MT5, and it takes 2 hours till you have a working system, if you are lucky. Also, you need a VPS server to run it also 24 hours a day. So there was a lot of hassle. And when we started also building this platform, the first concept was it has to be easy for the people to get started and not to download a lot of files, because I know from experience people make mistakes. We get a lot of support tickets then, and it has to be simple, right? So people need to understand how to do it. No files download, just connect your strategies or your MT5 just with a link or some information from your broker to a platform, and that's it. No file downloads, no VPS server needed. The only thing you need is Meta API, and I'm going to show you in a while what it is, okay? So for this platform, you need MT5. So that's the best thing which work with our system. So for the people which don't know what is MT5, I go to here. Let me see if I already open it. I have to open it in here. Where is my MT5? Here, okay. There's my MT5. And MT5 is just the platform where you are able to connect your broker. And MT5 is also the platform which you connect to trade changes, okay? So here is MT5. Let's get it a bit. Yeah, this is the right one. Okay. Here it is. So I hope you see my screen here. I think so, yeah. So this is MT5. It's very easy to download on your desktop, and you're also able to download it on your smartphone. So on your desktop, the only thing you have to do is to import here with, let me see, open an account. Just import your broker in here with the credentials you get, and then it will be listed here, and then you also see here the balance, and this is where the magic happens, okay? So our system is sending signals to MT5, and MT5, there is where your broker is, and here you will see your balance and also your profit and your losses. Everything is visible here, okay? You're able to connect multiple brokers also in here. So you're able to connect multiple broker accounts, and yeah, it's very, very, when you see the desktop version, you think, okay, we are back into 1985. It's very ugly and not logic, but when you have your smartphone, then you see, okay, this is how an app needs to be to see what is happening with your trades. You can see everything, you can download everything, you can see your daily profits, daily losses, everything is in there. You can close your trades also from the MT5 on your smartphone. You're in full control, okay? So you need an MT5 account and a broker. So that's what you need to get started. Once you have a broker and once you have your MT5 also configured, then what you need to do is go to an auto trading platform, and here you see the platform itself. Okay, let me give you a dashboard tour first. So here you have the messages button. So when there is an important message, for example, when there is news, we have news events that day, which will influence, has effect, for example, on the volatility. And a lot of people don't want to trade during news events. Then, yeah, it will be also will be mentioned here, and you are able also to disable your bot yourself too. So you are in full control. So I think when you are a trader, you already know and you are aware which news events will be for the coming week. But again, a lot of people are new to, also to trading, and all the news will be listed here. But also if we have some problems with our platform or the third-party platform which we're using, like TradingView or Meta API, it will be listed here, okay? We are now also in progress that you get an email too. So once we, for example, place a message, then you also receive an email, but that has to be implemented tomorrow. Messages board. We have a connection guide in here. So forget this because this is only for the admins. This is a step-by-step guide for the setup. We also have a video available. I'm going to show in a while for the people which want to see visuals. It's also in here. It's just a few steps. We have some recommended brokers in here which you also can open an account with. If you already have a broker, go ahead with your own broker, but these are brokers which we recommend when you get started. We recommend MT5. That's very important because MT5 is a platform which works the best for our platform. We have faster synchronization, more reliable connection, and superior performance, and the rest is very easy to install. So these are the steps to make, only 5 steps. When you go back, we also have a video here. When you go to this tab, this is the tutorial. If you want to see the video, it's a 20-minute video which also will guide you through the dashboard, but also shows you how to set up your trading account using our platform. So connect MT5, how to configure Meta API, and that's it. Okay, so this is the video with some explanation. You can find it there. So actually this is your control center. Okay, so when you go here to accounts, here you're able to connect your MT5 account. Here also, when you go through the steps, then it will be mentioned you have to create a Meta API account. So what is Meta API? So this here is Meta API. You don't need a VPS server, but this is a cloud-based platform which you're able to connect your broker account. So import your broker account. Okay. Your MT5 account, and then you are able to connect Meta API to trade changes, and that's very easy. This is a third-party platform, so you don't need a VPS server, but you need Meta API to import your MT5, okay, with the broker with your broker credentials, and it costs $10 a month for every MT5 account imported. Okay, so only $10 a month for an MT5 account. So if you have one account, it's an additional $10 a month. When you have 2 accounts, then it will be $20 a month. As you see here, I have 2 demo accounts and 1 live account. I pay $30 a month. You can scale up as many as you wish. So you're able also to connect a lot of accounts, not only for yourself, but also for your family, for example, for your son, for your daughter, whatever you want, because all the signals will be transported to Meta API, and from Meta API to the MT5 accounts, okay, with your broker credentials. So you have to set up an account first, and there's also a verification process. It's very easy, you know how it works. It's very easy when you go to, or very important when you go to billing, for example, in here, you need to upgrade your balance. So you need to add some balance to it, because you see here the last month I paid $25. If the balance are low, then the trades won't be forwarded to your MT5 account. Okay. So please be aware that your account balance is positive. You get an email when it's low, you get a warning. Don't worry, because when your balance is low, Meta API is sending you an email, and it will say your balance is low. You have to top up your balance. Okay, so you're able to deposit it here, or create an auto deposit, whatever you want. Disconnect your credit card, and you are good to go. Okay. So you need the MT5 account. The $10 a month will be billed through Meta API, not through us. And this is also very safe, because we can't touch your we can't touch your account, because this is your account. So everything which has to do with money and funds, it's safe. Okay, so we can't do anything. The only thing you do is connect your Meta API account to trade changes. And that's why it's so safe, because you are not locked in our platform, and Meta API is a high-grade platform which is used especially for MT5 trading and automation. Okay, so it's listed in here. Own Meta API account acquired. Click on this link in here and you will be forwarded to the page. Okay. It's important also to start with a demo account first, because first you want to get familiar with the platform, how it works. You want to see how to perform, you know. So don't start directly with your own funds, or for example, with a prop firm is also it's also possible to start with a prop firm, for example FTMO. But in the beginning, please get familiar with the platform. Maybe there is something wrong configured with once you onboard it and something going wrong. You need to be sure after 1-2 weeks, or the best way is a month, that you are safe and know how it works. You know how to, for example, close the trade manually. You know where to go. For example, once you have, for example, maybe a small error, something like that. It always can happen, but our platform is stable. It works. We are running now for more than a month, and it's working seamlessly. Okay, but start with a demo account. This is your control center. So here you can see your positions. If there is a trade, it will be listed here. So I don't think we have a trade now at this moment running. So there will be no trades visible. It has to load first, because we are streaming. It takes some more time than normally. We are testing also an FTMO module at this moment, where you're able to configure the strategy that will be also aligned, for example, with FTMO rules. You know, so this is, you see, we don't have any open positions. This is a future which we will release, I think, next May. So here you're able to configure your bot with everything you need, with daily loss limits, max drawdown, profit targets, minimum trading days, consistency rules, weekend holding, news trading, whatever is needed, for example, to get funded first with FTMO, but also to get payouts. So we are working now with the test phase at this moment, but this is a future module which we will release, I think, next May. Here you can find your trade history, how many lots, and also closed positions. Here are the logs if there is a warning, like here we had a trade which was fired first, but it missed one signal for training view. Don't worry, nothing happened. It just will be listed here. And this is the video tutorial guide, which you can go through all the steps how to configure it. So now I think you are very curious how to configure our system, because when I'm going to show you in a while, it's so simple. Everybody could do it. You don't need to be tech savvy. It's just watch the video or going to the connection guide, and you are good to go. All right. Okay, so let's go through the process. Let me see. I got a message here for someone. All right, cool. Let's share my screen, and we are here now. Boom. Cool. So when you want to connect your account, just click on connect account in here. So you already did step 1, so that is an MT5 account. You already have an MT5 account ready. You already have a broker, and you are good to go. Okay. So what you are doing here, for example, is fill in a friendly name. So the friendly name will be whatever you want. This is Wasili Demo, for example. Okay. You are using MetaTrader 5. If you have MetaTrader 4, you also are able to connect it, but again, use MetaTrader 5. That's the best way to do. Then you need the login credentials of your broker. So once you have a broker, you have a login account number, you have a broker, like for example, in this case, Vantage, in my case. Okay. Here you need to have the server of your broker. So normally, in my case, is Vantage International and then 14. So you have to copy and paste it from your broker credentials. Okay. The region, and that's very important because before you go ahead with this, you go to Meta API. Because here you need to import your broker account, your MT5 account, sorry, your MT5 account. So this is also just 4 steps. Add MetaTrader account. Then you have to select these two, Forex API and copy trading. You are a subscriber. Choose MT5 in case you have MT4. So I am in Amsterdam, located in Amsterdam. So it will find the nearest server location because it wants to have less latency, but also less slippage for the trade. So when you are, for example, in USA, it will be New York. If you are in Asia, it will be Singapore. Server location. So at default, it will give you the server location where you are situated. In this case, for us, is London, where the reliability is high. Go to next. Here you have to fill in your account name. For example, this is Wassily Demo. Here your MetaTrader login details. Okay, MetaTrader password. Okay, so I already have set it up, but I'm going to show you how it looks like. Server name. Vantage International 14, for example. Then check these two. Then go to create. There you are able to review everything you filled in here. Okay. And then once you reviewed everything, and don't go do it now because I already have accounts imported. Then you will see this. In the beginning, just I think when you import it, you see maybe some red dots in here. So they have to be green. So it takes more, so normally 2-3 minutes. If they are still red or orange, just refresh your browser and I think then it will turn in green. So green means it's operational, okay? So this is your MT5 account. Okay, so once you created this one, go back. Choose your region. If you are in the US, choose New York. If you are in Asia, choose Asia. We are in London. This is the password of your broker, okay? The password of your broker, blah, blah, blah. Login, account number, blah, 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 blah. Then you need here to import your access token. So for that, you need to go here to the dots, account access token. And then here you need to generate, go to unlimited, generate API access token. That's all. Then you get a code, go back to our platform, fill in the code in here. Okay, the token must be in here. Then go to your account ID. And that's here, account ID, here on top. Copy it. And then paste it in here. Boom. And then you go down and you click on connect account. That's it. So once you connected the account, then it will be listed here. In the beginning, the dot will be red. Just click on synchronize and it will be green. Then you are able to configure your account with your own risk management. So when you go to your copy trading settings, then you also are able to override with fixed lot size, okay? So you can follow the strategy lots. You are able to override with your fixed lot size or override with risk percentage. So if you go to follow strategy lots, you see here what we have as a standard or as a default. For Euro USD, we have one lot as default. And that's pretty much if you are trading with your own money. It's good for example, prop firms. If you have a 10K account, a 20K account, 50 or more, then one lot will do. Same for gold. 0.2 lots, it's okay for a $10,000 account on a prop firm. But if you are trading with your own money, don't trade with these lots because it's high risk, okay? If you have a demo, no problem. If you open a demo account like we have also in the beginning for $10,000 virtual money, so a paper account, then you can use the standard lots. To get familiar with it, how it works, you're able to go, for example, override with fixed lot size. Then you see here the fixed lot size. If you have two strategies, if you have the Forex Pro, you get Euro USD and gold, so two strategies. Then when you, for example, set your fixed lot size in here on 0.01, it will be applicable for both of the assets, okay? If you don't want that, or maybe you want to, for example, let me see here, fixed lot size 0.01, we just had it. If you have two strategies like I have here, so let me get rid of this one, boom. You have Euro USD and you have gold, okay? So for Euro USD, I want to go to 0.5 lots, and for gold, XAU USD, I want to trade with 0.02 lots, okay? That's the safest. So now with the override with fixed lot size, then you will trade with the lot size you chose yourself, okay? So you are in full control of the risk which you are trading. You are also able to, for example, set the risk type to percentage, okay? So for example, when we have Euro, this one, XAU USD, then I want to take 2% risk on the trades, okay? So here you are able to set your own risk management. When you have a pro account, you can copy all strategies at the same time. If you have the starter account, that's $50 a month. You can choose when you want to trade Euro USD or gold. So you have one strategy and you have one MT5 account that you are able to import with the starter account. So Forex Starter, $50 a month, you get one strategy and one MT5 account. With the Pro, you get two strategies and two MT5 accounts, which you are able to import. If you want to scale, for example, with if you want to scale with accounts, you're able to buy upgrades in here. You go here to upgrades and you are able to buy extra accounts to import in here, okay? Now you are ready, everything is green, so you have a green dot. You are here, you configured your MT5 in here and your risk management, then you are good to go, okay? Once there is a trade, it will be listed here in positions, but you are also able to see it on your MT5 desktop, but also smartphone, and of course in our system itself, okay? So there are many places where you are able to monitor your trades. You're also able to close the trades manually if you want on your smartphone, on your desktop, or in our system. So wherever you are also able to close the trades manually if you want. If you see, okay, this trade is going the right direction, I have $100 profit, so I'm good. I don't want to wait till the bot is closing, maybe it's going to reverse and we have a loss, then you are able to close it yourself. You're also able to stop or start your bot. So when we click on start, it's active. When we click on stop, it stops, okay? So if you want to stop it before a news event, whatever, or in case of you are on holiday, you don't want to be stressed thinking about the trades, just stop your bot and nothing will happen. You are safe, okay? So you're full control in this platform of everything what will happen with your trades, okay? So actually it's very easy. like I showed you, you need a Meta API account. You don't need a VPS server because this is actually running in the cloud. So $10 a month for one MT5 account import. Go in here, connect your MT5 account in here, and then configure it here with your risk management, and that's it. No file downloads, no difficult things. Once you do it one time, the next time is, I think, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, something like that, and then you are up and running. And you're in full control of your money because this is pure a connection to your Meta API, so we can't touch anything. And yeah, I have the experience with other platforms that you have to import your own MT5 in their platform. And that's very risky because then yeah, when something happens or you never know, they can yeah, reach your funds too. Okay? So if you want to upgrade, for example, with extra MT5 accounts in here, you can do it here for $30 a month and add it to your plan. And yeah, you are able to scale it as many MT5 accounts as you wish once you are running with our platform. Okay, any questions? Drop them here in the chat. In here, it's working. Any questions? And this is the link to our website. Okay. Again, when you go to the website and you go to Forex Automation, I'm going to show you in a while how it looks like in here. Go down, there you see the plans. We have a Forex starter plan, $50 a month, and you have to pay $10 a month for MT5 account and Meta API, so that's $60 a month in total. Connect one strategy of your choice, connect one MT4 account. So when you go to start automated trading, then here you are able to pick the EURUSD or the gold, whatever you want to trade. And then $50 a month, subscribe, and then you'll be forwarded, get access to the auto trading platform. If you are going to the Forex Pro, then you get EURUSD and gold, 2 strategies, and everything the same as the Forex starter, but then you get 2 MT4, MT5 accounts that you are able to connect in our platform. And then you can scale up. Also with the starter, you are able to scale up with extra MT5 accounts if you want. Okay. Cool. Any questions? Let me know. So we are fully operational now, and this is a soft launch. So for the coming 2 months, we don't take a lot of new customers. We want to have 50 customers before May. So we start very, very slow. First for $50 a month for the starter. And in May, we will open the gate for more people. And then the price also will increase. And the people which come in first, they also are grandfathered for every extra feature we are adding, which will normally cost more. They are grandfathered in the same price. For new people, for example, coming after the new futures we are introducing the coming weeks and months, you have to pay extra, okay? So once you get in now, you are a founder of the new platform. You're able to trade with everything we are offering, but also in the future you get everything for free, which is normally an extra upgrade you get for free, okay? All right, no questions? No questions? Cool. And I'm gonna wrap it up. Thank you for attending. We are going to upload this recording in our community. And we are gonna announce also that we are leaving the community on school to our new community. So you are welcome to join for free, where you are able also to access our community futures in there and everything which will be there for you to learn more about algorithmic trading and that kind of stuff. So yeah, that will be announced in our school community very soon. And in the beginning of next month, we are moving to this platform. Okay. Okay, thank you very much for attending. No questions. See you soon. Bye.